Pero Attorney Lopez, ngayon pong 2026, naglaan ng Philippine Reclamation Authority ng humigit kumulang 210 million pesos na halaga para sa supply and delivery of the, as you mentioned, yung hydroponics facility sa ilalim ng San Nicolas Shoal Seabed Quarry Project. Ano po ba ang pangunahing layunin ng proyektong ito at paano ito makakatulong sa mga host communities na sakop po ng proyekto?
Karamihan ho sa coast communities, makikita nyo po, they are fishermen. Minsan, pag walang huli, pag may bagyo, ang hydroponics program po natin, pagtatanim ng gulay, is all-weather. And it is an off-season crop. So, ang ibig ko sabihin, kung mura sa palengke ang talong, pwede silang wag magtanim ng talong. Kung mahal ang kamatis ang pwede nilang itanim. And this is sustainable po. So in all coastal communities, we will be launching on 700 high schools, not only to train their students to be environmentally conscious, to be industrious, to be entrepreneurs, but we will help them be productive elements of society po. Nakakatulong na nila ang kanilang karamihan ho dito sa coastal towns, mga fishermen, at alam niyo naman, the poorest of the poor is not the informal settlers, it's not the farmers, but it's the fishermen. Because,
Okay. And Attorney, bukod naman po sa reclamation at environmental management, isinusulong na rin po ng PRA ito nga pong hydroponics bilang bahagi ng sustainable livelihood at food security programs.